Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C73 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let's go back, and in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic clock format, time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers, and now we can manually change all of those options. So first of all, we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use. So right now we've got the 12-hour format, and if you'd like to use the 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher to apply this option. Here you can tap on date, and as you can see, just by swiping we can change the date. It will be immediately applied, and same with the time, just swipe and it will be set. Here we can tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here we can choose something from the list. So find yours and then apply it. It will be immediately set. So basically this is the whole manual customization of date and time. You can go back to all previous settings just by using all of those switchers right here to use everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.